Hey there! Ready to blend your way to culinary bliss? Well, get excited because we're about to take a spin through the best immersion blenders of 2024. Join us on a journey through kitchen innovation as we discover the warmth and convenience these gadgets bring to your cooking game. Imagine this: silky smooth soups, creamy sauces, and dreamy smoothies, all whipped up effortlessly with the touch of a button. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a newbie in the kitchen, these immersion blenders are about to become your new best friends. I've listed my top picks so you can dive right into the world of blending magic. And hey, don't forget to join the party by clicking the links below to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video. Trust me, your taste buds will thank you later. Number 5. Cuisinart Immersion Blender. Last but not least, the Cuisinart Immersion Blender stands out as the best feature-packed option. What makes this one stand out is its detachable attachment, making it super convenient for cleaning. Plus, its modern style adds a sleek touch to your kitchen setup. I recommend it for whisking and blending tasks. Powered by a 300-watt motor, it's got enough oomph to tackle your recipes with ease. The LED illuminated variable speed control lets you adjust according to your needs. And the one-touch button with lock and unlock feature ensures safety while in use. With a generous 5-foot cord, you've got plenty of flexibility in the kitchen. Number 4. KitchenAid KHB1231. Moving on to the KitchenAid KHB1231, it earns the title of the best compact blender. What makes this one special is its manual operation. No complicated settings, just straightforward blending. With a capacity of 0.7 liters, it's compact yet powerful. Let's talk about features. The removable 8-inch blending arm with a fixed blade locks into the motor body for easy handling. The stainless steel S-shaped fixed blade ensures quick and smooth blending of your ingredients. Plus, the soft grip handle provides a comfortable and non-slip grip, even during long blending sessions. And let's not forget the 3-cup BPA-free blending jar with lid, perfect for individual servings or storing leftovers. With 2 speed settings, you have control over your blending consistency. Number 3. Braun MQ7035X. In the category of Best Versatile Blender, the Braun MQ7035X takes the lead. With a capacity of 500 milliliters, it's compact yet powerful. Now here's what makes it stand out: the world's first easy smart speed technology. No predefined speed settings, just follow your intuition for the results you want. The active blade technology incorporates a flexible shaft that moves the blade up and down for faster, finer results. Plus, with splash control technology, you can say goodbye to messy splashes. And the Power Bell Plus features an extra milling blade for extra power. Switching attachments is a breeze with the Easy Click Plus system, giving you the versatility to blend, chop, whisk, and more. It comes with everything you need, including a blender, whisk attachment, dough blade, plastic beaker, chopper, blending wand, and lid. Number 2. NutriBullet NBI 50100. Next up, the NutriBullet NBI 50100 earns the title of the best reliable blender. This buddy blender packs a punch with its 350-watt motor, blending ingredients right in your cup, bowl, or pot. With its adjustable speed control, you can blend at high, low, or any speed in between for perfect texture every time. Let's move to features. The multiple attachments. Use the blade for batters, dressings, dips, and even hot soups without the need for transferring. Attach the whisk for fluffy whipped cream or eggs. It comes with everything you need: a 350-watt motor body, stainless steel blending arm, whisk attachment, and a user and recipe guide for inspiration. Plus, it's built to last with a durable plastic motor body and stainless steel attachments. And guess what? Cleaning up is a breeze too. Just hand wash the blade and whisk in warm, soapy water. Number 1. Vitamix Immersion Blender. Starting with our top pick, the Vitamix Immersion Blender takes the crown for being the best overall. What sets this blender apart is its compact size and ergonomic handle, making blending a breeze, and it's easy to store when not in use. Let's talk about features. The 5 variable speed settings and LED light display, giving you precise control over your blending. Plus, the scratch-resistant blade guard ensures your pots and pans stay looking brand new. Assembly is a breeze with the easy twist lock feature, and with a powerful motor, every blending task is faster and more efficient. The stainless steel body adds a touch of elegance to your kitchen setup. Wait, there's more. It comes with everything you need: immersion motor, immersion wand, owner's manual, and a getting started pamphlet for easy use. So there you have it, folks. Those were the best immersion blenders of 2024. From silky smooth soups to creamy sauces, these gadgets have got you covered. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a newbie in the kitchen, there's something here for everyone. Don't forget to check out the links in the description for the latest prices. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, share with your fellow foodies, and hit that subscribe button and bell icon to stay updated with all of our latest content, tips, and reviews. Happy blending!